Good evening, ma'am. This is our project Intrusion Detection System. These are our team members. Next, these are the contents of our project. Introduction. In today's digital world, internet usage is growing very fast. Because of this, computer networks are becoming more vulnerable to cyber attacks. Common types of attacks include denial of service, brute force attacks, support scanning, and malware traffic. These attacks can damage systems, slow down networks, and even steal important data. Earlier, we used traditional security methods like firewalls to protect networks. However, these methods are not enough today because they cannot detect new or unknown attacks effectively. To solve these problems, we use an intrusion detection system based on machine learning. This system works by analyzing networks traffic and learning patterns of normal and abnormal behavior. It can automatically detect suspicious activities and identify potential threats quickly and accurately. So this approach improves network security by making detection smarter, faster, and more efficient. System design and architecture. First, user layer. The system is used by a network admin or security analyst. Second one, front layer, uh, built using HTML and CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Backend layer handles all applications logic using a Flask web server. Includes routes, models, data processor, response generator. Fourth one, machine learning layer. This is the core of the system. Training module and prediction module. Uh, External inputs. CI/CIDS 2017 dataset used for training the model. Live network traffic, real-time data for detection. Sixth one, data storage layer. Use database like SQLite or MySQL. Stores alerts, logs, predictions, users and model information. Seventh one, alert and notification layer. Sends alerts when attacks are detected, like email notifications, dashboards alerts, optional SMS, and push notifications. Eighth one, dashboard and visualization. Display real time detections results, attacks types of severity, logs and reports, graphs and performance metrics. Next. Machine learning workflow. The system follows a structured ML process from data input to prediction. Data collection CI/CID is 2017 dataset network traffic data is gathered from a standard benchmark dataset. Data pre-processing. It raw data is cleaned and prepared for effective model training. Model training. Machine learning algorithms are trained to recognize attack patterns, prediction and detection. The trained model classifies incoming traffic as normal or malicious. Web dashboard, Flask. A web interface is used to display detection results in real time. Real time monitoring. The system continuously analyzes live network traffic. Accurate classification. The module ensures a reliable identification of different traffic types. Scalable system design. The architecture supports expansion for larger data sets and users. Next will be continued by Abhishek.
Good evening, ma'am. Detecting workflow. The detecting workflow beginning the collecting the network traffic data from various sources such as the service and devices. The raw data is the pre-processing to improve the quality where cleaning the remove the noise and irritative informations. Future selection is applied to the choose most important attributes from the analysis. After pre-processing, a machine learning model analyzes the traffic pattern. The system there classes the traffic into the two categories, normal or moleculars. If the traffic is identify the moleculars, it indicated the potential attacks. In such cases, the system automatically generates the alert. The alert helps to the quickly respond the mitigation of threats. Final are detecting activity and alternate display the dashboard in monitoring the decision making. Next, tools and technology. This project is a developing using the Python 3.x as a primary program language. Due to the strong support from the machine learning, VS Code is used to developing the environment from the coding and debugging. Flash framework is used to build the web application and handle the backend operation. GitHub is used to the version controlling the project management machine learning. The support the vector machine is used for traffic classification. Panda and NumPy library used efficient data pre-processing and analysis. It used the visualizing result pattern in the data. Front-end developed HTML and CSS are used. From similar user-friendly interfaces, these tools together they ensure the efficient development, analysis, and development of the system. Next,
Good evening, ma'am. Development progress. This slide explains the overall progress of our project. First, we collected the dataset called CI CSD 2017, which is well-known dataset used for detecting network attacks. After we collected the data, performed data preprocessing. This step includes cleaning the data, removing unwanted values, and preparing it for machine learning. Trained ML models, random forest supports vector machines. This model helps in identifying whether network traffic is normal or malicious. We also build detection logic, which is core part of the system that decides the type of traffic. After that, we developed a flags-based interface, which allows users to interact with the system easily. Next slide. Implementation. First, we created a complete data pre-processing pipeline which automatically prepares the data before giving it to the model. ML model trained and tested, integrated model with Flask backend, developed a dashboard to show prediction display attack types. We also developed a dashboard which helps in showing prediction, displaying different types of attacks. Final system can detect normal traffic, safe activity, malicious traffic, attacks or threats. So overall, this implementation helps in identifying and monitoring network security effectively.
Testing and validation. The testing and validation phase is an important step to ensure that the intrusion detection system work accurately and reliably. In this project, the model is tested using the CI/CIDS 2017 dataset, which contains both normal and malicious network traffic data. Since the system is designed for a binary classification, it focuses on distinguishing between the normal traffic and malicious traffic. Before testing the dataset, is preprocessed to remove the noise and irrelevant features, ensuring better model performance. The trained machine learning models such as random forest and support vector machine are then evaluated using performance metrics like accuracy and precision. Accuracy measures how many predictions are correct overall, while precision indicates how many of the detected attacks are actually true attacks. Different traffic scenarios are used during testing to check how well the model performs under various conditions. This helps in verifying whether the system can consistently identify the threats without misclassification. Validation ensures that the model generalizes well and is not memorizing the training data. The results show the system can reliably classify the traffic and detect the potential threats effectively. Next slide. Result and analysis. The result of the proposed ideas demonstrates that the system is effective in identifying and classifying the network traffic into normals or malicious. The trained machine learning model successfully detect the common attack patterns such as DOS and brute force attacks. The system achieves the accuracy of ranging from approximately 85% to 95%, indicating the strong performance in detecting the intrusions. The analysis also shows the model produces the minimal false positives and false negatives, which is important for maintaining the reliability in the real-world application. The integration of the class based on the dashboards allow the users to clearly view the prediction results in real time. This improves the usability and helps in quick decision making. The use of machine learning techniques enhances the detection capabilities compared to the traditional systems, especially in identifying the unknown or new type of attacks. Overall, the system improves the network system monitoring by providing accurate, fast, and automated detection of malicious activities. Next will be continued by Rohini.
Conclusion. The proposed intrusion detection system improves the cybersecurity using machine learning techniques. It automatically detects and classifies the various type of network attacks. The system provides the higher accuracy than traditional rule-based methods. It continuously monitors the network traffic for suspicious activities. Real-time analysis help in faster detection of threats. The system effectively identify attacks like DOS and brute force. It can also adapt to new and unknown attack patterns. This reduces the limitations of conventional security system. The IDS minimizes the need for constant manual monitoring. It improves overall network performance and safety. The web-based dashboard displays the result in the clear format. The dashboard provides the alerts and visual insights for users. This helps the administration take quickly and informed actions. The system is efficient, reliable, and easy to use. Overall, it strengthens the protection of network infrastructure. Future work includes improving accuracy using deep learning models. Real-time traffic monitor can be further enhanced. More types of security attacks can be included in detection. UI and UX improvements will take the system more user-friendly. Cloud deployment will ensure better scalability and accessibility. Thank you.
Move to first slide. Ravi Kumar.
Ma'am.
What is the aim of your project?
My ideas, ma'am.
I know it is ideas. Aim. What is the aim? What you are going to do in your project?
Detection system traffic.
Have you detect the traffic is occurring in your for any systems or any website?
Ma'am, website traffic detection means analyzing the data coming your website, ma'am. IP address.
Have you analyzed that the website is attacking or it is in a traffic danger? How will send the messages to the user?
My user server logins IP address time. Use ML models, ma'am. Normal traffic or malicious traffic. Analyzing patterns, ma'am. Repeated IP addresses, unusual traffic spikes, access to odd times. suspicious activity direct leads the verify account. It sends a email notifications to the user. Send OTP or warning message for security.
You send warning messages to the users while any traffic
Yes,
is attacked.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the major difference between traditional security method and intrusion detection system?
Um,
Hmm. Major
tra-
difference between traditional security and IDS system.
traditional security focusing on the prevent attacking before the happen ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು.
Hmm.
ಇದು interfusion focusing the detecting the suspicious activity or attacks. Main difference.
Which is more secured, IDS or a traditional method?
IDS, ma'am.
IDS. In traditional method, which methods or mechanism you are going to use?
Traditional. And rule-based filtering the signature machining, ma'am.
Hmm.
Frameworking the check packet based on the predefining rules.
In
Authentication system.
IDS, in
IDS,
IDS,
ma'am.
which method you are
Monitoring the
going to?
traffic and system activities, ma'am.
Hmm.
Detecting and alternate when the intrusion occurring.
In your project in IDS traffic detection, which method or which model you are going to use?
Hmm. IDS, ma'am.
On based which method you are going to find the traffics or any other malicious activities?
Capture. Detecting and attacks, ma'am. ಅದು you want signature based detection, ma'am.
In introduction page, we have mentioned that intrusion detection system based on machine learning is introduced. ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ?
Signature based.
ಹ್ಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮೂವ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. Can you zoom that diagram, Rohini? Little bit. Prajwal,
Yes, ma'am.
why we need front end and back end layer?
To build using HTML and CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap in front end.
Hmm.
Backend layer handles all applications logic using a Flask web server.
In a backend layer, you have mentioned that models like ML models for prediction or attack the classification. Which
Classification.
type of models you are going to use? Which type of ML model you are going to use?
Random forwards
Random?
forest.
Why you choose random forest? For classification like SVM, decision tree is the Navy base is there. Why you choose random forest?
Because it works.
Because it works. For me, SVM works better than random forest. It gives the better classification result compared to random forest. Why you choose only random forest?
Because of high accuracy, ma'am.
Why
And,
not SVM?
Ma'am,
Why not SVM? Uh, Prajwal,
ma'am.
can you explain that backend layer diagram once again where you are used to connect the taro marksware?
Ma'am. It handles, ma'am, applications logic using Flask web server.
What is
Includes
Flask server?
what, ma'am?
Flask web server.
Flat web server, ma'am. A flat web server isn't a strict formal term, ma'am. But in most academic project context, it means a simple non-layered web server, web server architecture.
Explain that how the data will be processed in the diagram.
Uh, Backend, ma'am.
Only backend.
It includes routes views, ma'am. Manages user requests and authentications. Models runs ML predictions and classifies attacks. Data processor cleans and pre-processors incoming network data. Response generator means sends results, alerts, and logs back to front end.
First, it will be request authentication. After request, what will be done?
Models, ma'am.
Next, after the models, what will be done?
Data processor. Processor.
Data processes pre-process the incoming. What is pre-process? Abhishek, what is pre-process incoming network data?
Capturing the packet using tools, ma'am.
What is data pre-processing? Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing.
Cleaning the transferring the raw data, ma'am. Analysis the models.
What is SVM, Abhishek?
SVM. Support vector machine, ma'am.
What is the uses of support vector machine?
Support vector machine. SVM best boundary that the separate the data in the cleanness. It choose the boundary with the maximum margin.
Next, Ravi Kumar. Why data storage layer is required? What is the use of it?
Why data?
Data storage layer is required. What is the use of data storage layer?
Data storage layer is needed to store and manage data safely in system. Reason Store large data, ma'am. Easy access, data security. It supports analysis and backup and recovery, ma'am.
I have one doubt. In your project, data is collected. It's choose the machine learning in models, and the data is processed and predict the outcome, final outcome. What is where you use data storage layer? Mention the database SQLite or MySQL. Which type of database you are going to use?
Ma'am, HTTPS. Network traffic data, ma'am, and structured data.
Prajwal,
Ma'am.
what type of notification will become in your project?
Ma'am.
ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೋ?
Triggered immediately when an attack is detected, ma'am. Shows messages like malicious traffic and traffic detected. Email notification, dashboard notifications, ma'am.
You have mentioned in this diagram, alert and notification will be in the form of email address, system alert, and optional SMS. What type of the alert will be?
Which one? Which one, ma'am? Email notification, ma'am. Dashboard alerts. Optional SMS push notifications.
It will be predict the real-time analysis, Prajwal.
Ma'am.
Dashboard visualize. Move to next slide. Rohini,
Yes, ma'am.
what is feature selection?
Feature selection is the process of choosing the most important input variables from our data set, ma'am, and that removing the unnecessary ones before training the module.
Feature extraction means?
Ma'am, that creating new and meaningful features from raw data so that the machine learning model can understand the patterns better, ma'am.
Why you does not choose feature extraction in your project? You have been choose feature selection.
Ma'am, because we choose the data cleaner data set, ma'am.
What are the ML models you are going to analyze, Rohini? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
What
ML
is the
models we
ML model
analyze a
analysis?
random forest and SVM, ma'am. Train both models, ma'am.
Why you choose only random forest and SVM, not other models?
Because it classifies network traffic and compare their performance for intrusion detection system, ma'am. It is better than others, ma'am.
Move to next slide. Pragati,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the use of pandas and numpy?
Pandas and numpys are the libraries used for handling the manipulation, ma'am. Pandas. It reads the data set. NumPy is used for numerical operations.
What is data visualization?
Representing in graphs, charts, or plots, ma'am. So it is easy to understand the patterns, results.
Next slide.
Row, slide change ಮಾಡಿ.
What are the attributes or classes are there in your data set, Pragati?
Features, variables, columns, ma'am.
Total number of overall how many data set collections? It is CSV or image based data set.
ESV, ma'am.
Move to next slide. In real time, what will be the results occur if traffic is attacked?
Seconds it detects the attack, ma'am.
Move to next slide. Abhishek,
Yes, ma'am.
what is DOS attack?
You were set. Uh, the cyber attacking where the attacking fraud services network with the too much traffic, no? Unavailable users, ma'am.
Ravi Kumar,
Ma'am.
What is brute force method?
What ma'am? Brute force?
What is a brute force method or brute force analyzation?
Track the location. Tracking location. Ma'am.
Prajwal,
Ma'am.
what is the disadvantages of your project? What is the major disadvantage of your project?
Commonly used dataset collections, KDD Cup 1999, NSL KDD, UNSW. High training time, ma'am. False positive depends on data quality, complex modeling.
Rohini,
Yes, ma'am.
have you overcome all these disadvantages?
Ma'am, we use better and updated data, ma'am, and future selection, keep on relevant features, ma'am, model tuning, ma'am, hybrid approach combined with signature based and anomaly based detection, ma'am, continuous retraining, ma'am.
Pragati,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the application of your project?
It provides the network security and monitors and protects the computer networks from the attacks. It detects the hacking, DOS, and e-commerce websites, cloud security.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲೋ ರವಿ.